In our last video, we shared our plan to build a hide-and-seek game to play with our agent. We made sure to turn off in-game player names, which is found in the video section of our settings menu. And we created a new MakeCode project. I asked you to consider a good name for this project. I have, of course, named mine Hide and Seek. Before we begin, let's make sure our agent is present and at the center of our play area. If not, we can open Code Builder to spawn our agent. Then, press the reset button found in the build area, and that will get our agent positioned for the start of the project. To play the game, we first need to build the structure that the agent will hide in. Let's start with a simple chat command to build the structure, and let's consider a good name for our command that will build the structure. The word build is a good name, since it's simple and plainly describes what this chat command will do. We already have the onChat command block, so let's give it the name build. We also have an onStart block. Let's keep that where it is, since we'll be using it a bit later. The entire structure is a bit large. Let's start with something simple. Let's build just one arm of the structure. Assuming the agent is standing on what will be the center of the completed structure, we can make the agent move forward one space using the agent move block from the agent folder. Next, we'll give the agent 2 blocks of diamond, since that's a strong Minecraft block. Let's head into the agent folder on the left of our MakeCode window and scroll down to find the agent set block or item and drag it inside our chat command. We will set the inventory item to diamond by hitting the dropdown. Just a reminder, there is a search bar we can use to find the block or item we are looking for if we're having a hard time scrolling through the images. Let's make the count 2, since we want 2 diamond blocks for this step, and we can leave the slot as 1. Then we can have the agent place those blocks to the left and up using the agent place block from the agent folder. We can drag in and attach our first one, and from the dropdown choose left, then drag in another and choose up. That should take care of the start of the arm. Let's move the agent forward one space, but give the agent 3 diamond blocks this time, and place those blocks to the left, up, and right. We'll need our agent move block, the agent set block or item block, and 3 agent place blocks, in order to place the 3 diamond blocks all around the agent. One left, one up, and one right. At any time, we can test our code by pressing the play button, opening the chat bar, and using our build command. If everything looks good, we can hit the reset button in the build area and keep coding. After that test, we can start to see that the rest of the arm is going to follow a pattern. What coding block can we use to make a certain set of actions happen over and over again so that we don't have to write so much code? We can use a repeat block to build the rest of the arm. Let's bring in a repeat block from the loops folder, and let's put the steps we want repeated inside. In this case, the agent move and agent set blocks, as well as the agent place left, agent place up, and agent place right blocks. Let's connect that to the end of our code. After building that, the agent should be at the end of the arm, and we can place the soft block we mentioned in our first video at the end. Let's give the agent 1 wool block, because that's an easy block for the player to break rather quickly, and we have the agent place it forward. We'll need the agent set block or item, and the agent place blocks one more time. The color of the wool we place here is up to you, but I like a color that stands out. I'll go with orange. There we have it. The first arm of our structure is complete. Let's go ahead and test what we have so far. Again, we can press the play button in MakeCode. Then, we just need to enter our chat command. Let's open our chat bar and type build and hit enter. Here's what our code looks like so far. Think of some ways we can work smart and keep things simple to complete the rest of our game structure. When you are ready, join us in our next video where we will finalize our build.